Hi, good day everyone, I'm Yu. In this video, I'll be showing you this Malaysian 1995 7 Series 1000 ringgit banknotes. But before I take a look at the banknotes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us. So for this 1000 ringgit banknotes, this 7 series came out between 1995 to 1998, and the bank governor at the time is Tan Sri Datuk Ahmad bin Muhammad Don, which means the signature on the notes should look like this. Now, this is how the all banknotes design should look like at the front and at the back. And the size of the notes is 160 mm times 84 mm. And the printer on the notes is printed by printer Giesecke and Devrient and Thomas Deliveroo. For Giesecke and Devrient, do forgive my pronunciation. I'm not really sure how to really pronounce this. Either way, the prefix for these notes is ZY and ZA, and the one printed by Thomas Deliveroo should only be ZB. And there's replacement notes for both, which is start with ZZ. Now, I'll leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. Do take note that price is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on situation. If you need more time, you just pause the video. Now, let's go and take a look at how the banknotes really look like. So, this is how it look like at the front. For the 7 series, this is the governor signature. If you want more time to enjoy the front, you just need to pause the video. I'm going to turn it around. Now, to check the printer on the banknotes, you just need to go here to check. For this piece, this is printed by Giesecke and Devrient. Forgive me if I pronounce wrongly. I'm going to pause the video for a while to show you the watermark. Alright, if you buy the 1000 ringgit for your collection, make sure it contains this watermark. The reason is because there's a lot of fake 1000 ringgit out there. So it's important to check whether your notes is a fake one or not. Now I'm going to pause the video again because I'm going to show it under the UV light. Alright guys, if you buy the notes, this is how it should look like under the UV light. If you for this 1000 ringgit notes, make sure this part is reflect under make sure this part is shiny under the UV light. Alright, I'm going to turn it around. And behind it, make sure this part is shiny. Make sure this all these UV watermark are shiny. Alright, I'm going to pause the video again. Alright guys, so here's a little bit of history about the 1000 ringgit notes. So the reason why the 1000 ringgit notes was later on pulled out from circulation is because of the 1997 financial crisis. Because people were using these 1000 ringgit notes to take the money out from Malaysia, and at that time they want to stop the outflow of ringgit. How they did was they take a few pieces of this and put in the pocket and walk through to the airport without declaring at the custom. And it wasn't easy to, easy to check lah. So because it's easy to hide and it's just one piece. And at the time the ringgit is a very big value. If I'm correct, at that period, right, the wages for those who work in the office at the time is 700-800 ringgit. Man, it's really hard to believe it at that time. People earning 700-800 ringgit still can clear a house loan. We poor generation. Alright guys, so if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're watching it from Steamway or any other site, don't forget to like the post, whatever they're sharing it. And I guess that's it for today. Goodbye everyone. Have a nice day. Goodbye.